my channel, it's Anais, and for this next video I am so excited to share how I take my Instagram pictures plus how I edit them, what apps I use, all my tips, all my tricks. I'm coming down with you from Paris, from my bedroom, with all my tips and secrets. If you guys enjoy this video, if you like it, give it up a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed because much more videos are coming, and if you want a part 2 of this video, I can totally make it, so yeah, you stay tuned. And of course, it's not an Instagram video without shouting out my actual Instagram, so if you want to follow me, make sure you're following me at simplyanais.s because that's where I post everything, my breakfast from my making my nails, whatever, everything. There's different types of content on there. Yeah, have a good time, so let's just get straight into this video. So, we're gonna start with how I edit my pictures and what I use. I'm gonna take you guys through everything, and yeah, I hope it helps you, I hope it inspires you. So yeah, come over. So you have the screen recorder on this side. So here is the editing folder. It is probably, not gonna lie, my favorite folder on this phone, just because I love editing, I love taking pictures, and I just love getting creative with my pictures and just, you know, doing my art, because yeah, editing is kind of an art, a way of my art. So these are all the apps I use. So I have VSCO. You guys know what VSCO is, everybody uses it. I used to use it a lot back then for all my pictures. Now I use it less because I have other apps, but it's still great. And I want to show you a little trick that I found out on VSCO a while back, and actually you see it a lot on people's Instagrams, like boomerangs. Instead of doing the actual boomerang, like the one that you have on Instagram and like the app, you can actually do it another way. So if you click on the top corner on the left, you have a little camera. You click on here and you have two options, the photo or the VSCO. So you click on that and basically watch. I'm just gonna go like this. And it's like a smooth, slowed down boomerang like everybody has, and you put your filters, which makes it even prettier. So then we have UNUM, it's confusing to say, but anyway, I love this app. It lets you organize your Instagram feed. So basically what you do is you just log on to your Instagram, and then you have all your Instagram feed laid out for you, and then you can add pictures, take out pictures, you can remove what you want to put on your feed, so you have a preview of what it looks like with your feed. And yeah, that's just a preview of what pictures I'm gonna post in the future. So yeah, you know, if you want to add more, I'm an organized kind of girl, you know, I love my organization, especially for my Instagram feed. So I kind of just go like that. I'm gonna do cute. See how it goes. It's just a tryout for y'all. But yeah, this is, you know, and so if I don't like it, I'm just gonna move it around, which is really nice. But yes, and then what's really cool is that you can also customize your post, so you can say when you want to have it custom, today, or the next day, etc. You have the time, your reminder to post, oh my god, and then a calendar. So it's really cool, and also you have the insights, so you can see and track your followers, and your top posts, your best times, etc. And that's really cool. It's really nice if you're, you know, making your Instagram, like if you want to do it professionally, kind of like me. It's nice to see all these insights, so yes. Then we have HUJI. HUJI was so hyped. I love that app, absolutely. I always use it for like candid kind of shots. It's not really like a professional app that I use to like take pictures, but I love it when I'm out or something to capture a moment. I just love that. So yeah, you guys know this, it's great. So yeah, just take like a cute, it's like a cute selfie. Okay, that was something. And then you have it here, bam, oh my god, it looks actually good. Let's, like, you know, see, there's a vibe, there's a date stamp, etc. and you can save them, yada yada, you get the whole thing. I have so many here, so that's really cool, and it gets me like to look back. Then we have the Unfold app. Now this one was very hyped as well. Everybody uses it, it's super common in your stories, and I would say that it's a great way to actually share your day, share your travels, like etc. Just a creative way of doing your stories if you're a person like me that loves to do stories and get creative with it. So it comes with a free pack, which is the CS1, and then you have a bunch of other ones that you have to pay for, and then I paid for obviously the FF1. I absolutely love it. It has so much. You can really play around, so let's do a tryout, so like little Polaroids, and then I'm just gonna do another Polaroid and a Polaroid. And then what's really cool is that you can actually change, you know, like the behind. We're gonna go for blue. You can add text. Let's just do friends, and then you can change the fonts. You do have pink fonts, but it's really cute and it's a great way to get creative, do cute Instagram stories for you. You just save it and that's it. There's plenty of others. Let's do an analog one. See, kind of it gives a whole other vibe just with the frame, so yeah, that's really cool. Then we have the TEZZA app. Now, I don't know if you follow her, but she's an actual influencer. Her name is TEZZA and she has an app. She has many other things. She also sells presets, but this app is amazing. It comes with 3 free presets already, and then you can subscribe to the app, so you can get like other presets, etc. But I only have the 3 presets thinking, I don't know yet. And so yeah, this one is my favorite. This one is Mood. I absolutely love it. It gives a whole vibe to like the actual picture. And then you can also put like the dust effect. And yeah, that's what I do, especially for like my outfit pictures. I always use it. If you follow me, you know. I always use that filter. Really depends, but absolutely love it. And what is really nice is that she also has like guides, so like see where to shoot because she's from New York, and then like how to pose, which is really nice if you're a person who is looking for inspirations. This is really nice, so I actually really like it and it's really useful. Then I have Lightroom. I have the subscription for Lightroom because I have all the apps also on my computer because of my school. So I really was excited to work on Lightroom, and I decided to get some presets and also make my own presets, which is really fun. You can find some free ones also on the internet. You don't have to pay for everything, or you can all just play around and make your own presets, which is just as fun as spending $100 on a preset, which you're gonna use like, you know, for special stuff anyway. I did buy presets from a French blogger, but they were really inexpensive and I really like it. What's really nice is that you can use them and tweak them for different settings. They're actually fall presets. But I kind of tweak them onto every one of my pictures, and depending the weather, etc., depending you know, the season, I just tweak it to it, and it's really cool. So for the picture you saw, or like let's say yeah, let's redo. I'm gonna show you how I edited this one. So for example, this, you know, it has reds, it has a lot of natural colors, warm color, no, yeah, okay. So I kind of just go through how it looks. Obviously some of them are really warm because it's autumn presets, so some of them I've made. So then I just look, okay, autumn, the preset number 3, and here you see it's like white, it needs some help. So I just go into the lights and I play around. I kind of tone it down a little. See the difference? Like just by this changes the entire picture, and I love that. I don't do too much sometimes because sometimes the picture doesn't need too much re-editing. See, like crazy the difference. Then INSHOT is more for like promotional kind of, you know, for like videos, etc. You can do nice photo layouts with it, so that's really nice. Then you have STORYLUXE. STORYLUXE is actually, I think, underrated. It's kind of, I think it's kind of competition. It's the competition of Unfold, I think. Sorry. So it has so many amazing frames, and actually everything, most of the app comes free, which is really cool. So you have one with the scotch tape, which is really cool. You have so many, like you see, analog, like it's actually really fun. And then they're not just black, they're white as well, which is really cool. So we're gonna do something quick here, and then see, you just add it. This is really random, but it's just to show you. And this, bam, you have a thing, like you can even put a backdrop, and even if you pay as well for like a subscription, you can change the little branding here, you know, the story thing, and you can put like anything, which is really, really cool, but you have to pay for it, I think. So yes, it's really nice. You have plenty of other, let's just go through it quickly. Then you have like the Fuji ones, instant, really, really cool, honestly, like totally recommend the neon. Yeah, some stuff that you don't even see in other apps, like that's just great. I love that. So it's great things to do and just amazing ways to get creative, which I really like, and we need apps there. And then this app that I just recently downloaded yesterday, and it's called RNIFilms. Basically it has filters of like analog and Polaroid films, kind of like Ariana Grande's editing style. So let's take like a picture, maybe one of the recent pictures. Let's try, because I could totally see. So here you have, I'm literally playing around, like I just discovered the app like not so long ago. See, you have many, it's great, and you can switch it up. So see, we can do this, and you can tone it down, tone it up. It's really up to you, like, that's really cool. You can make it really look as if it was like a Polaroid. So yeah, that's what I use for my Instagram feed, and all the tools that I use, whether it's to edit a picture or whether it's to post on my story. So yeah, that's pretty much how my Instagram is. I really like the colors, I really like the vibes at the moment. I'm really trying different stuff out, different poses, different editing styles, and I'm really, really into it. To do so. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, once again, give it up a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content coming. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys soon for another video. Bye.